Hey guys, back again with another home screen tutorial. So in today's video we'll be trying out a minimal setup, obviously, cause minimal is love, and it is very simple. And currently I'm using OnePlus launcher, but you can use any of your choice, for example Nova launcher or Launcher or anything. So let's get started. First off, you're gonna go ahead and clean the home screen, obviously. And if you want this current wallpaper I'm having, please do check out the previous setup. I have the wall there. So yeah, let's move on. So first off, you're gonna just remove the existing apps. I kept these three to just remove. Yeah. Okay, now that the whole home screen is clean, let's add back 3 apks, or I wouldn't suggest 4 since 4 would look a bit wonky. So let's just keep 3. Keep 3 of any of your choice. I'm keeping these 3 for example. So okay, now let's head out to home settings, and over here let's get over to home screen layout, and in here let's select it to 5x5. Keep it 5x5, no need to modify the grids. Next up, go over there, icon size, and reduce the icon size. It would be like a bit minimal as well. Yeah, always less is always minimal. Now next up is the hide app names, and keep it enabled. It will give it a more like extreme vibe of minimalism. Okay, now we're gonna add just one kwgt. More would be unnecessary. Let's keep just one over here, and we'll be keeping the top a bit free, like totally free, because it would ruin the asymmetry of minimalism if we if we just add many more stuffs in the home screen. We'll keep it minimal. So now we'll be using hook kwgt. You can use any of your choice. We'll just add one kwgt, and if it is free, completely free, and has like very good widgets. Let's select one. So I'm going to use that. Wow. So yeah, I have selected this one, and I'm gonna increase the size, obviously. Let's keep it to 70. Yeah, and probably 70 looks a bit small. Let's keep it 95 or 90. Yeah, and now the final step would be to just choose icon pack. Oh no, not final. We have one step left. So we're gonna keep this icon pack. As you can see, this icon pack is called Jolo icon pack by Jips. I mean, yeah, this one is pretty cool looking, small and neonish. I am in love with this one, and it is not free. It is available in Play Store for, I don't know, 110 rupees, I guess. And the next up with this, the final step would be the wallpaper, obviously. So let's set up the wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna pause since I wouldn't recommend you guys seeing my gallery, so just a bit moment. Okay, here is the wallpaper. Very minimal, always. Wait a minute, this one has a bit bad alignment, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Or should we just increase the size a bit more? Let's give it 100. Wow, beautiful. So I guess that's pretty much it, and you can always tinker more. It's up to you, but I prefer my phone very minimal, and it gives me a joy of minimalism. So yeah, I'll be back with more setups, and hope you guys liked this one. So if you did, I am not reaching many of you guys. I barely get 5 or 6 views. Very absent guy. Anyways, so if you guys like this setup, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.